running low on space in a C drive, or maybe you just prefer to store OneDrive files on a different disk. Changing your OneDrive folder location can help optimize storage and improve performance. Let's go over how to do it in the right way. First, click on the OneDrive cloud icon in the System tray. Choose Settings and under the Account tab, click on Unlink this PC. This will sign you out of OneDrive and allow you to set a new folder location. Once unlinked, a OneDrive setup window will appear. Sign in with your Microsoft account and credentials and reconnect the app to your account. After signing in, OneDrive will ask you where to store your files. Click Change Location and set your new preferred folder on another drive, like D or E. Make sure it's an empty or dedicated folder to avoid sync issues. Click through the rest of the setup process and confirm. OneDrive will now sync your files to the new location that you selected. And just like that, your OneDrive folder is now stored in a new location. Perfect for managing space or keeping things organized across drivers. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.